It's day 9 of the April Birds Challenge, and today's prompt is the long tailed tit playing. This one might just be my favorite one so far. I decided to show this tiny fluffy bird kicking a football, and it turned out to be so full of energy and cuteness. The long tail adds such a great movement to the pose as if it's balancing itself mid kick, totally in the zone. I used only watercolors and color pencils for this piece because I wanted to maintain the soft feel for it. Watercolors help to keep the bird very light and delicate, and the color pencils is perfect for adding those tiny shadows and feather textures, especially around the wings and the tail. It's so much of fun to mix a bird with a playful activity like football because it is such a gentle bird and the whole thing has come out so beautiful. I love it.